how to unsend an email in Gmail. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recall an email that has been sent in Gmail. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if I send an email in Gmail, you'll see a message sent message come up. And if I select undo, that will bring the email back. It'll unsend it. And now I can edit it before sending it again, or I can just delete it by selecting the delete button. Now, if I send an email and the undo button disappears, usually it's about 5 to 10 seconds before undo disappears, then I can no longer unsend that message. It has been permanently sent. Now, the good thing is Gmail in the settings allows us to change the amount of time we have to unsend an email. We can do up to 30 seconds. So to do that, in Gmail here, go up to the top right, select the gear, and then select See All Settings. Now in the general settings right here, undo send, all we need to do, most likely yours is either 5 or 10 seconds. You can lengthen it up to 30 seconds. Once you make a change, scroll to the bottom, select Save Changes, and then now when you send an email, you'll have that amount of time to undo or unsend that email before it is permanently sent. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.